Hello, dear hungry ones. Honestly, I'm not sure if this casserole was really a staple for cowboys. But it doesn't matter at all. Even without the campfire romance, it tastes delicious. It's hearty, tasty, and not at all complicated to prepare. Here's what we'll need. Kidney beans, chopped tomatoes, peas or peas with carrots, and an alternative could be corn. We'll need potatoes, onions, garlic cloves, and a bell pepper. Any color will do. Also, ground meat, either beef or a mixed variety. We'll need tomato paste, seasoned sweet paprika, pepper, salt, and you'll need some fragrant ground cumin, and for a delightful topping, freshly grated cheese. For preparation, we just need to peel and finely chop onions and garlic. Then we add a bit of oil to a large wide pan and heat it up. Add the chopped onions and garlic. Sauté them briefly until translucent, stirring occasionally. When it's perfectly ready, we'll toss the ground meat into that hot pan and let it cook at high heat until it's all nicely browned and crumbly. Break up larger chunks while stirring now and then. Meanwhile, we prepare the bell pepper wash, de-seed and dice it. Now we add it to the pan along with the drained kidney beans. And how about including those tasty mixed veggies? Mix everything together, make a little space in the center of the pan and add the tomato paste there. Roast the tomato paste briefly in the center, then add chopped tomatoes. Mix all the ingredients together thoroughly, ensuring everything is well combined, but do this quickly, then season with ground cumin and a generous amount of sweet paprika. Stir in the spices, adjust the heat so it simmers, and let it go for about 10 minutes. Let's take a moment to taste the dish and then adjust it with a sprinkle of pepper and a dash of salt. Incorporate the spices and then remove the pan from the heat. Now it's time to work with the potatoes, peel them, slice them up, and boil them in salted water until tender. Once drained, allow the potatoes to rest and dry. Lightly grease a casserole dish of suitable size and place half of the mixture from the pan into it. Make sure you spread it out evenly in the dish. Then layer those potato slices nicely over it, spreading them out evenly for the best results. Next, use the rest of the mixture to cover everything, making sure it's all well covered. Spread it out evenly once more, then generously top it all with grated cheese, ensuring it's evenly and thoroughly distributed over the entire surface. Now into the oven it goes, baked at 180 degrees with top and bottom heat for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your preference. Do you want the cheese dark and crispy? For me, it ended up being almost 30 minutes, and just look how delicious it turned out. And the taste? Truly hearty and delicious. Not just for cowboys, but it'll surely satisfy anyone from any profession. Have a great time preparing it, and make sure to enjoy every bite of your meal. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye for now.